What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another ViDiLOOK video. Hey, ViDiLOOK, man. You know, when you so when you get in here and you get your subscription, right? Listen, I just learned this today and I was like, what happened to my subscription? What happened was when you invite people and they add money, once this is going to pack out at the 2x revenue. So no matter how fast it get there, once it hits the 2x revenue, so as soon as this one hits $100 in revenue, it's going to pack out. So as soon as it does it, it's going to go away and you got to get you another one. So no matter how it does it, either you got that many people under you might just be buying these every other day. Maybe you're just growing like that, but you don't want to waste no money and lose no money with any. So you need to get one as soon as one goes away. Get it that same time. So what we're going to do right now, since we have money in the bank, we're going to go ahead and just click join because we're in there and we have money inside our assets. And we're going to pick that, pay $50. Funding password. I think I remember what that thing is. Let's see if that's it. Oh, Lord, I got so many of these things. Let's see. Hold up. I just changed this one too. Let's try. Okay. Reminding me that I forgot again what my password is. So go ahead, stand by real quick. Definitely not gonna do that on this page. Let's see what that says. Okay, that's that. Email. Or send it. So it's gonna send me something to my email. Go to my email. Wait for my ViDiLOOK. There we go. 285981. Come back. I'm opening my ViDiLOOK. I'm just gonna walk out through what I'm doing. 285981 from the side because you definitely don't want to be doing anything with your password on screen. All right, now new funding password. I'm gonna do something that I'm never gonna forget. Setting is success. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. All right, get rid of that. I'm gonna bring that back over here. So you can see I was still in it. So now since we know what you do is you go to assets and you see you got you some monies. You got you some monies over there. You know what I'm saying? You got some monies. That's how they say it in all them old school movies. You got you some monies. I already did my ads for today. That's how I figured out something was wrong. I was like, hold on, that's not enough ads. Something ain't right. And then I found out that, I called my people, got on the in the group chat, like, yo, one of my things disappeared. They like, yeah, when you invite people and they start earning money, it disappears. So I was like, okay, cool. So what you gotta do is go back here, go to subscribe, since you got some monies. We got some monies up in there. And then we'll just go ahead and your balance is insufficient. Do you want to okay. This is what you gotta do first. It's good to be on here. I love being on these videos while we do these things. So what I gotta do is I haven't claimed or transferred any of my tokens yet. So let's go back here to trade. Let's go to sell. We ain't trying to buy. See anything different in these people. Let's go to sell. I need to get do all of them 441. That way they all be going on confirm. Trading in 4, 2, 1. Boom. All right, so let's go back out here to home. Let's go to close. Let's go to assets. All right, so now I got $166 in USDT. So that's where I need my money to be. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here. I'll go back to home, go to subscribe. It's in USDT now. So I'm gonna click join and I'm gonna click pay. I think last time I put this in here, I'll be right back. I'm bringing it on this side. Last time I put my funding password in, I think it showed it. I'm gonna get on time for that. Okay, click submit. Oh, I didn't do it this time. Oh, okay. Well, I'm bring this back over here. It says buy success and watch ads. Then I gotta watch ads. It's only a few because that was only the 1.5. So it's only like 5 ads for the day. So I only just spent $50. Yeah, we'll see it in a minute. And one thing I like about this, all right, so I'm gonna take this green and I'm gonna move it. And it's gonna play my ads on that side. But I'm gonna bring this screen over here, which I got it open on 2 different screens. So see that one is still not showing that here. I'm gonna refresh it. Watch this. Boom. It's there. Now it's running those on this side, and then I'm back here or here. I can talk to y'all on this side. So now close. So if you go back to assets, you'll see that I'm gaining some more. Well, I don't know how fast it's going to show, but you can see $116 are left. So we didn't already hit what we put into this. So really, this should be called the 100% opportunity, because you make 100% of your funds back in the first day. It's 3% a day, 30 days, 90%. Then you get the VDL tokens look like they keep skyrocketing. So you make, and then if you tell people you're going to make more money anyway. I think I'm done with these ads. Still, no, I still got a few more. But you make everything back within that time frame. So it just keeps growing and growing and growing. And then right here, when you come in here, you see VDL, that means somebody upgraded past you. Somebody upgraded past you. So I just need to add a few more dollars up in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the other two. Need to get them, and I do a video on it when I do it. So you can see it. We got 3 more seconds, 3 more. 0.3. Matter of fact, that might be it right there. Boom. 6.6 done. So as soon as this ends, some of these ads pretty. I mean, these apps off the chain. Like they had the sniper app. Man, that thing was off the chain. I think as soon as this finish it, let me claim. Yep, done. All right, so I can go ahead. I'll just go ahead and close this all the way out. I don't need it anymore. And then refresh this again. Let me go back and do everything it just did. Close. So now when I go back to assets, I should have some coins. Yep, so you're starting to build back up. 1.5 in coins is $3 USDT. So, and then as the coin keeps going up, so just make sure what you're doing. If you're going to be holding coins or holding your money like I'm doing, make sure that you're watching this. As long as you see the arrow going up, that means your coin is going up. So if you ever think that your coin is not, because right now while my money's in USDT, I'm not making any money. I probably should go back and buy some more coins because I'm not going to take it out. So I'll look into it and see. I might should just go buy the coins and put the money back into the coin, because the coins only keep rising. You know what I'm saying? It's like being in known Bitcoins at 20K, but it's going to go to 25K. But you leave your money next to it in USDT. So what's going to happen? Your money in USDT, it's going to just stay the same. And Bitcoin's going to be like blue, 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 blue. So you could have had your money into the Bitcoin and then let it rise. Another good one to watch is BNB. Let's see where BNB is at right now. BNB, go swap. One BNB, $283. That might be a good time to get some. Depending on where it came from, I didn't really look at the chart, but BNB is going to hit 3 something. If BNB is like at 202, 1 something, you better buy that crap as soon as you see it at 1 something, because it's going to go back to 300 some dollars. And if it catch on and Bitcoin start going up, BNB going right with it. So you might have doubled your money without even knowing. If it's at 150, you better buy it because it's going to hit 300. It just was at like 300. That's why I don't know if it's on a decline or the I don't know if it already went down and it was way back up. I just haven't been watching it. But that's what you can always check out on CoinMarketCap, see where your BNB is at. So you can just buy coins and just hold them. That's what I like about this coin. You can just buy it and just hold it, let it go up. But you can't get no more than $2,200. You can't lose no more than $2,200. And you make $2,200 or more per month from this opportunity with your own money. If you didn't invite nobody, you will still make your 2,200. Well, yeah, but the VDL token's going up. You'll be close to it. You'll be pretty close to making 100% a month. Close to it, very close to it. Because you're already making 93% per package. So that's 90% within 30 days. So if you got a month that's 31 days, it's already 33% in that month. So if you are getting your video tokens are going up throughout that 30 days, you're earning more money. And it's earning on all of your money, all your tokens. So what happens is you go to assets. Your tokens stay in here until you just sell them, just like I just did. And when you don't sell them, they'll stay here and the coin will keep going up. So the real thing about I probably need to do is go ahead and buy some tokens. Buy them. Normally they say don't buy them. But if I buy them, my money will go back into the tokens. So since I already sold them, I keep them. But if you wanted to grow and you trust, where the program is and it's going to keep on going at that time, and that's what you feel in your heart of hearts, then you just let it sit in the tokens. Because I've been holding them tokens since it was $2 and some cent. That's probably why it blew. It knocked the package off so fast too. That first package was knocked off, so I had to go back and replace it. But now I need to get the other two because it's just going to 30 days. I'll have my money back. So it's a win-win situation. You know what I'm saying? Win-win. Win-win right up in here. So if this is your first time watching this video, first thing you need to do is go to profile. After you use my link, come in here to profile, go to this little screw, click on this screw, go up here to personal information, click on personal information and fill out all the information. Change your picture, do all that stuff like that. You can do that, all that in there, right? And then second thing you do is come over here to home, look at your dashboard, go to subscribe. Look at these packages. This is the pack, $2,200, the only thing that you can spend in this company ever. That's all that you'll be, $2,200. Believe me, we had 10,000 in one, 20,000, 35,000, 100,000. Man, please, we got tons of money being different these programs, and then they just skip. This one though, most you can put in here is $2,200. That's probably why a lot of people like it. But you can make a fortune from just telling people, along with your $2,200. So $2,200 to make a fortune, that's a good deal. That's a very good deal. So you find out what scribe you want to do the whole 2,200. You need that. Note it. Take note of that. Good. Boom. Come back here. Go to assets. Next thing you want to do is deposit. You only can deposit TRC20, USDT TRC20. That's all that you can deposit. Copy this link. Put it in your USDT TRC20 wallet and send what you're going to send. So once you finish sending it, wait 15, 20 minutes, your money will show up right here. You'll see it right here, right under assets, right here. That'll let you know your money's there. Once your money is there, you come back to home, but to subscribe and pick the packages that you put. You want to put $200 in, you'll get both of these. You want to put $700 in, you get all three of these. You know what I'm saying? If you put $2,200 in, you get all four. You'll get all four. And you'll pretty much make the $2,200 back in 1 month. 30 days in, you'll have your money almost back. So, but you got to look at it. 15, you're making $45 a day here. $15 a day here. $4.50 a day here. $1.50 here, right? Let's pull out the calculator. We're just going to do the 30 days. So you got 1.5 plus 4.5 plus 15 plus 45 plus. So $66 a day times 30 days. 1980. So then when the VDL token goes up during that time, this will increase. So it might be 2,000. It might be 2,100. Who knows what it's going to be? But it's going to be closer to that 2,200. that you will have that you started off with, because you're making $66 a day, people. $66 a day. This is only $220 away from your initial. If the company left and all you lost was $222, you will not be mad in 30 days. You don't want it to go, but what I'm saying is you still got back most of your investment, 90% back. Then you got your other 10 days, and then you'll be right. There ain't even 10 more days, it's 3 more days. In 3 more days, you would have your full investment back. So in 33 days, your full investment is right back in your pocket. This is a win-win situation, people. Win-win situation. But remember, they're all hired. They all could be here today and all going tomorrow. And I'm not your financial advisor, so just figure it out on your own what you want to do. But this is what's popping right now. There's a lot of people getting into this. And a lot of people loving it. So this your boy Terrence Gibson saying, like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go, let's grow, let's blow this thing out the water.